Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to log into Proliant Payroll account. So if you also want to log into Proliant Payroll account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here, I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar. What you have to do is type in this link. After that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you do not want to type in this link, what you can do is type in Proliant Payroll login. After that, click on the first link that appears in the result. After that, you'll be led to the official website of Proliant. From here, you'll be able to log into your payroll account. You can see the account type over here, employee and administrator. Click on the account type of your choice. Now from here, you'll be able to log into your payroll account. Simply enter your username and password. First of all, enter your username. Now enter your password. If you want to check your password, simply click on the show icon that you can see right over here. After that, you'll be able to see your password. If you have forgotten your password, simply click on the option forgot password, and after that, you'll be able to reset it. If you have forgotten your username, simply click on the option username, and after that, you'll be able to recover it. After entering the username and password, simply click on the option login, and after that, you'll be able to log into your account. So that is how you log into Proliant Payroll account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.